Hello friends, in this video I'm going to talk about prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. That means it has only two factors. There is no third factor. A prime number is a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Now factor, what do you understand by factor? Factor is that number which can divide the given number exactly. And you understand the meaning of exactly. Exactly means if you divide a given number by the divisor, the remainder should be 0. Then it is called, it is exactly divisible by the divisor. So that number which divides the given number exactly, that is called the factor of that number. So a prime number has got only two factors, 1 and itself. So all prime numbers have only two factors, whereas a composite number has more than two factors. A composite number has more than two factors. A number which is not prime must be a composite number. But the number 1 has got only one factor, that is 1 itself. 1 only. It doesn't have any second factor. So 1 is a special class. It is neither prime nor composite. So I hope you have understood the difference between a prime number and a composite number. Now, what are the examples of prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17, and so on and so forth. And composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, etc. All these numbers are composite. And 1, I have already told you, 1 is a special class. Then what you should do is you just find out what are the prime numbers between 1 and 10. So prime numbers between 1 and 10 are 2, 3, 5, 7. Similarly, you write down all the numbers from 1 to 100 and circle those numbers which are prime. Now, if I asked you, how many even numbers are prime numbers? So your answer will be that 2 is the only even number which is prime. Whereas all prime numbers are odd. And what is the smallest composite number? That is 4. 4 is the smallest composite number. And 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is even. 4 is even. What is the next composite number after 4? 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 21, 22, 25, and so on. So one exercise I am giving you, that you write all the numbers from 1 to 100 and circle those numbers which are prime. And let me know how many prime numbers you have circled. And also count the number of composite numbers. Remember, 1 is a special class. 1 doesn't fall in the class of prime numbers or composite numbers. It is a special class. It is separate. Okay, I hope you understood the difference between prime numbers and composite numbers. So do the exercise, and then after this, I shall be taking up a new topic in the next video.